Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Today we are excited to present our project DHIA-KeyC, which stands for Development of Homemade Interesting and Attractive Kitchen. Firstly, we would like to introduction ourselves. I am Nidya Amani, the project leader with Naura Shahinda, Nur Faralia Indina, and finally Nurul Mardia from SMK I2. This project was mentored by our teacher, Mr. Zamzaidi and Dr. Nik Muhammad Zarif. DHIA-KeyC is a creative project where we design and make our own unique keychains from digital to physical product. We focus on design, craftsmanship, and sustainability, which means we care about our environment. Our project aligns with Sustainable Development Goal 12, which is all about responsible consumption and production. By using recycled materials, we are doing our part to help the planet. We noticed a few problems that we wanted to solve. First, there are many students don't use digital software when making craft. Second, the rough ideas are often limited to simple sketches. Third, it can take a long time to turn those sketches into digital design. We wanted to change that.
With DHIA-KeyC, we create DIY keychains that are customizable and unique. We can take one 3D model and change it into various shapes using the Tinkercad, using materials that are often recycled, from digital idea to the real craft.
Now let me walk through our step-by-step creation process. 1. Design the model. We start by designing our kitchen in Tinkercad upon digital code. 2. Material selection. Next, we choose material from 5 linen. 3. Design customization. We customize the shape and size to make it virtually our own. 4. Decoration. We personalize our kitchen with fiber, linen cloth, and color. 5. Assembly. Finally, we put everything together to create our unique kitchen.
Here, we present you the demo of our product. One of the members will sketch and redesign using Tinkercad. And after that member will craft the key for about an hour per piece.
DHIA-KeyC is important for several reasons. 1. It encourages creativity and critical thinking. We learn to think outside the box. It promotes sustainability for using cheap and useful materials, which is good for our environment. It helps us develop entrepreneurial skills. We learn how to budget and sell our creations.
We also look into how we can make DHIA-KeyC a business. Currently, we are on discussion with our partner UTEM. Here's a quick overview of our cost and potential profits. Total cost for materials, 60 ringgit for 15 models, which is about 1 ringgit and 6 cents per piece. Selling price, we plan to sell each keychain for 2 ringgit, making a profit of 94 cents for each one. In conclusion, DHIA-KeyC is not just about making keychains. It's a project that helps us learn essential skills and values. It adopts creativity, promotes sustainable practice, and opens doors for small-scale business ventures. Thank you for listening. We hope you are as excited about DHIA-KeyC as we are.